my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a chip bag template right in Canva. So Canva is really my go-to place when creating designs and templates. And sometimes a template is very helpful when creating a design. It allows you to stay in the perimeters of your sizing of your template, and it makes it a lot easier to design. So I'm going to start off with a new design. I'm going to create a new design. I'm going to make it a chip bag template. So I'm going to size the design according to a full size of paper, which would be, in this case, I'm going to do 11 by 8.5 inches. And I do have Canva Pro. Canva does have a free subscription as well, but I have Canva Pro because I use Canva so much and so often. So now with the page set up, I do have a chip bag template that I already go to design my chip bags. So I just wanted to show you how to create your own. So I'm going to bring in a rectangle. I'm going to remove the color from the rectangle so there's no color, and I'm just going to increase the line to about 2 stroke, and I'm going to bring this shape in, and this will be the middle of my design. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that rectangle so I could have my top and bottom of the chip bag. And now I have my template complete. The design area for the middle of the bag will be 4.8.7 inches, and then the ends of my chip bag would be 11 by 7 inches. And I'll have the measurements in the description box below. So I'm going to group everything and just have my template ready and start adding my design. I'm getting ready for Fate's 5th birthday party. We're going with a mermaid theme birthday party, so I'll have a lot of videos coming up. We're doing chip bags, juice bags, gift bags, everything. So I'm going to be busy and uploading a lot of videos for you guys to follow along. So today I'm going to work on the chip bag. I brought in this mermaid background I found off of Google because I'll be using this for personal use. So I brought the design in and set it as a background, and then placed my template on top. So I just have a visual for me where I'm going to design the front of the bag, the side of the bag, and then the top and bottom of the bag. At first I wanted to have a glitter effect on the top and the bottom of the chip bag, but later on you'll see in the design I kind of changed that theme because I didn't want it to look too cluttered or too much going on. So I'm going to start off with placing my nutrition facts on the side of the chip bag. I'm going to place it here on the left side. I do like to add my company logo and a QR code on the side as well. And I was going to look for the mermaid images on Google, a PNG image with a transparent background, but I remembered that I did have mermaid PNGs that I purchased from Etsy. I will put the Etsy shop where I purchased my elements in the description box below. So I decided to go with that since I already had PNG. They're already clean and perfect, and I could go ahead and just use them in my design. So from this point, I went ahead and just added all the elements I was planning on using for the design, and I just went ahead and just played around with everything, add some shadow effects, and just took my time and designed the chip bag. So now I'm happy with my design. I'm going to go ahead and move my design to a new page so I can use it for a future design. And I'm going to go ahead and save this as a PDF and print this out on my inkjet printer on glossy paper. I will have a list of all the materials I used in this video in the description box below. And now that I'm printing out my design, I'm ready to go ahead and assemble and wrap my chip. This design and template will be used for a 1-ounce chip bag, so perfect for those party chips for your event. So I'm going to place my adhesive around the edges of the chip bag. I want to see which side I'm going to seal, and I'm going to seal it on this side of the chip bag. So I'm just going to cut away a little bit of the white border that printed out. You could definitely use a paper slicer to cut, or just cut it by hand with a pair of scissors. I'm going to use a combination of double-sided tape and hot glue. Just use whatever is on hand and available. I like using this method to make sure that the bag stays sealed and I don't have to worry about it unraveling. So now that I have all the adhesive on the sides of the bag, I'm ready to seal and finish this design. Starting with the top of the bag, I'm just going to adhere it with that double-sided tape and just taking my time and working all the way down to the end of the bag. And I've seen people start with the big top of the bag and seal it, and some start with the bottom. It's just whatever works for you. Just take your time. You spent so much time on your design, you don't want this part right here to ruin the design. If you have a paper crimper, you can definitely crimp your chip bag before assembly. I found this faux crimp look off of an Etsy shop. I will have that listed in the description box. So it gives you that look like it's crimped without using a paper crimper. I'm going to be using some zigzag scissors to cut the edge of the chip bag. You could definitely just cut it with a pair of scissors, but the zigzag look just gives it a little bit more detailed. And that's it. It looks amazing. Another great project. And I'm getting ready for the party that's coming up soon. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot. And I'll see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!